Hey guys, I wanted to tell you about my favorite little craft DIY kit that I have right now. Y'all are gonna love this, and I've used it for craft night with my girls over at my house, and I have also done it myself, and I'm about to have it for family craft night at Thanksgiving. So obviously I'm really into this particular company and product, so I wanted to show you. So this, you get everything that you need except for the paint to make this adorable little framed 3D, as you can see, 3D little sign. And of course they come in all kinds of different like words or pictures or whatnot, but let me show you the coolest thing about this. Okay, this part of the frame comes off, and you just slide this out, and check it out, I did one previously for fall, and so I just slide that back in, pop that back on, and voila, I've changed it for this season. So this is like the 8.5 by 11-ish size. They also, and the company they, it's Details 2, the number 2, Enjoy. They also have this cute one. This probably was like the easiest DIY I think I've ever done. So you get all the pieces of the kit, and of course this is the same way. I'm really into the holiday ones right now just because we have so many holidays coming up, but as you can see, this just slides out. They're really durable. And if you use E6000, nothing comes off. Actually, all these pieces have an adhesive on the back, so there you go. Look, and it's still perfectly fine. So let me show you how you get what all you get with it. So you can get the little paint kit with it, not paint itself, but the little, like it's a paint tray, a little push pin, what else comes in the little tray? I forget, a little supplies kit that comes with it. You will need your own brushes and paint. But this is how it comes. All these little pieces. You can see you've got your background. These are all laser cut already. And let me show you really close. So you've got the detail already in these, and all these pieces punch out. So you can punch all those pieces out if you want to spray paint them or you want to hand paint them, however you want to do it. All those pieces punch out. You'll have to use your own glue too, and you can either use hot glue or E6000. If you're clumsy like me, I recommend E6000. Anyway, so this kit right here is everything I needed to make this. And so the cost is, I want to say the frames right now online are around 16 to 20, depending on the finish that you get. And then these inserts, I want to say they're around 12, maybe? I might not be exactly right, but anyway, the company is Details to Enjoy, and I have a special code that I'll put in the comments below so that you can use it to get a discount off of your order. So it's my favorite little DIY kit. And let me tell you a couple little tips if you get one of these, okay? So let me bring it a little closer. All right. So like for this one, for the little dots on here, see how small they are? I use the tip of the push pin to make my little dots. And then these lines in here, if you're wondering why you have a push pin at all, is you could paint over the whole thing and then you just run your push pin into the grooves and it pulls out all the paint so that you've got that little definition right there. So anyway, they're super cute. They even, oh, I know what else comes in the supply kit. A little sanding, like a little sanding block in case you want to give it a little distressed look, which I thought I did to this, but apparently it's not coming through very well. So, hey guys, super fun. So check it out, Details to Enjoy. Invite your girlfriends over and